stupid orange, stupid, stupid, stupid orange, stupid, stupid, stupid orange, orange in a nutshell, stupid orange.
Millenniumforce, it's a half shell, not a nutshell. You're so stupid.
Hey, Orange, I found a place where I can make lots of money on the internet. You want to know how?
Millenniumforce, what brain scheme, nut job event you got me gonna sit through this time, you big hippo?
It's a slot game casino. We're gonna make millions of dollars!
Yeah! Millenniumforce, you don't need millions of dollars. What you need is millions of pounds of food to feed that big walrus belly of yours.
You want to see how it's done?
I do. Millenniumforce, I'd rather be sitting there with the cat looking out the window to see what you got on the internet going, you big hippo.
Come on, I'll show you.
Hey, Callie, you better hide your eyes. Whatever Millenniumforce is going to show us is probably going to be dirty. See that, Millenniumforce? The cat doesn't even want to stay because of your crazy idea.
All right. Callie, ain't gonna stay and watch? You ain't gonna stay and watch us be a millionaire?
Yeah.
Orange, there is a new slot machine out. We gotta win lots of money. You can win up over $1 million. I'll show you.
Millenniumforce, why the hell do I want to watch it? I can't spend the money. All I need is some Tropicana orange juice. Why don't you try to win me 1 million cases of that?
See, this is called money rain. And we're gonna make money. It's gonna rain money. Hallelujah.
Millenniumforce, why don't you lose some weight? Then you can say hallelujah to your fat god, you big sea cow.
Whatever, Orange. Shut up.
Millenniumforce, you hit me one more time, I'm gonna pop you with a pin and watch you unplay in the room.
Oh, shut up. Shut up.
Millenniumforce, you hit me one more time, and I'm going to put a spell on you where you don't eat ever again.
He better not hit me in the head like that. I'll scratch his eyes out.
Oh, what the sweet hell is this? I got better things to do, like eating and pooping.
Whatever, Orange. Here, I'll show you. We're gonna be rich.
Millenniumforce, this is stupid. All right, Millenniumforce, what are we waiting for? Where is this moneymaker you said that we're gonna get? Where is this $1 million at? You big sea cow.
Whatever, Orange. You ain't playing the game I am. I'm gonna win the money.
And he's gonna share half of it with me.
Oh, you quacky duck. He don't share nothing with nobody, especially when it's dinner time and he's got all that food in front of his big old fat face.
Yes, we're gonna win millions. Oh, come on.
Millenniumforce, you were gonna win millions of dollars doing this?
Oh, whatever, Orange. Shut up. Come on, 100 or 50.
Here comes big money. Millenniumforce, do they have an orange range slot? Maybe you could win me 1 million oranges.
Oh, shut up. Yeah, Orange.
Millenniumforce, why don't you bet I'm getting another 100 pounds?
I tell you what,
you
Orange,
big
let's
hippo.
make the bet higher. Let's make it 50 cents where we win $1 million.
Millenniumforce, how are you gonna win $1 million with all these dead presidents flopping around?
Come on, Orange, we need it. Orange! Orange, look, I got free play! This is a big one!
Millenniumforce, overplay. You look like a bunch of jackasses. Yeah, money ring. Millenniumforce, they need oranges up there instead of these dead presidents, and then we can win some big juices! You and Quacky Duck are going psycho! They need to put a net over both of you! We won! We won! We won! We won! Yeah! Money ring! Millenniumforce, you better take a look at getting all that money you have in your hands, because it sure the hell ain't no money!
What?
Look again, Millenniumforce, it ain't money, it's Monopoly money, you big sea cow!
What the hell is this? Orange! You can't buy nothing with this! Oh, Orange, I swear! I don't believe this, man!
Millenniumforce, you and that Quacky Duck are so stupid! This has been a Millenniumforce presentation. Come back and see me sometime, would ya? Make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up like button. And I don't mean a thumbs up like anywhere else. See ya!